Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the error connection reset error in our Chrome. So let's get started our video. First of all, you have to open your browser, Chrome browser. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have disconnected all of the VPNs that are connected to your Google Chrome. This was our first step. After this, you have to move on the next step. Then click on the three dots at the very top right corner and then click on the settings option here. Now an interface will be open for you. You have to just scroll down and find here an option of about Chrome here. At the very bottom of the page you will find this type of the option. Just click on it. When you click on this option, your Google Chrome will automatically get started for update, and you can see that my Google Chrome has been updated here. It will take a while. After doing this process, you have to just move on the next step. You have to click on the privacy and the security at the left side of the page, and then now you have to just click on the clear browsing data. Here you have to select the all the time option here and then click on the clear data. After doing this process, your problem will be resolved successfully. Your error connection reset problem will be resolved. So if you have any question related to this topic, you can leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.